Hi, I'm Chris Cree, founder of Emmanuel Press, and I'd like to take a moment to tell you a little bit about my background and how Emmanuel Press came to be. If you look back on my career, I think you'd say it's a little unconventional. After I got out of school, I went in the Navy and was flying off of aircraft carriers and Navy jets, which was a lot of fun, I gotta say. But when I got out of the Navy, I went into the maritime industry dealing with ships and cargo, and I had all kinds of weird job titles like boarding agent and vessel planner and stevedore and port captain. In fact, it was in 2005 when I was working as a marine surveyor that I started a blog as a hobby. I had this idea that I wanted to be a writer. Well, it turns out what I had was an inner geek that I didn't even know existed. And before long, I was helping other people with their websites. And after a couple of years, I walked away from the maritime industry to start a business helping small businesses communicate more effectively online using web publishing tools and social media. And that's really my passion, is to help people communicate more effectively using web tools so that they can attract larger audiences. And as I got thinking about that, what's the most compelling message of all time? Well, it's the good news of Jesus Christ, right? How could I help people communicate that message more effectively? So, being a geek, I did some research, and here's what I found. In the United States, there's something over 350,000 churches. And when you look at the average attendance on any given Sunday, it's 186. But there's about 40 or something megachurches that skew that average way up. If you look at the median, it's only 75. And that means that on any given Sunday, half the churches in America have 75 or fewer people in attendance. And those churches just don't have the budget to spend thousands of dollars on a website. In fact, I've been part of several churches that fall in that 75 and under category over the years as I've moved around for work. And not only that, but my wife and I have been part of multiple church plants. And so we understand the challenges of some of those smaller organizations and how important it is for y'all to communicate more effectively online. So I thought, is there a way I could provide web publishing tools for those folks so that you could communicate more effectively online? And that's where Emmanuel Press came out of. And here's the thing. What I found over the years working with small businesses, working with nonprofits, and even some churches, is that it's not enough just to provide the tools. I've got to provide a little training to teach you how to use the tools. Because if you don't know how to use them effectively, all you've got is another tool hanging in the shed that isn't doing any good for you. So that's a big part of what we do at Emmanuel Press, is provide video training that teaches you how to use the tools effectively. And I've put it together at a very low price because I want as many people as possible to be able to get the good news of Jesus Christ out, because y'all can reach way more people than I ever could on my own. And that's my heart for Emmanuel Press, is to help you communicate more effectively so that you can attract more people to your church, and together we'll change the world.